It's I know that football is quite difficult, and social media and everything thinks that is important, that is opinion is important, but the biggest thing is the trust that we have from the club, and is the trust that we have in ourselves, and you know I'm gonna say, like someone said before, in the biggest club in South Africa. I was born in Burundi, small country. What are the odds that I'll be here? Which means that I have been in very, very big spaces, and those things, they don't hurt me personally, because I know what I'm capable of, and with the trust that we have from the club, we're gonna do everything to place the team where it belongs.